12 old-school jobs that still make bank in small towns with a modern twist. Ever looked around your small town and thought, ain't nothing left but memories and dollar stores? Think again. Some of the oldest, dustiest, grandpa-approved jobs are making bank, and not just coin in the couch cushions kind of bank. I'm talking five-figure monthly profits, quietly raking it in while the rest of the world's too busy chasing likes in crypto. Welcome to a world where the past isn't just alive, it's thriving, evolving, and handing out checks like it's 1952 with Wi-Fi. In this video, we're diving deep into 12 old-school jobs that are crushing it in small towns right now. These aren't your typical side hustles or TikTok trends, nah. We're talking about rare, slept-on gigs with deep roots and massive modern potential. If you're an entrepreneur, a small-town hustler, or just someone who wants to turn vintage vibes into visionary income, buckle up. Let's unlock the hidden treasure chest of time-tested trades that are still stacking cash, often better than anything you'll find in a city. 1. The modern blacksmith. Profits, $6,000, $18,000 month before you scroll past like, a blacksmith? What is this, Skyrim? Hold up, artisan metalwork is back, baby. From custom knife making to high-end home decor and wedding gifts, modern blacksmiths are killing it on Etsy, Instagram, and farmers markets. Modern twist, combine local commissions with online branding, offer workshops, personalized metal signs, or even historical reproductions for reenactors or niche collectors. Profit potential, a single handmade knife can go for $300, $800. Multiply that by 20 a month, plus courses and digital products equal $10K plus months. 2. Cobbler and leathercrafter. Profits, $4,000, $12,000 month. Shoe repair may sound boring, but with the rise of sustainable fashion and people clinging to high-end leather goods, cobblers are once again the quiet MVPs of many small towns. Modern twist, add in custom leatherwork, handmade wallets, bags, belts, even luxury dog collars. Profit potential, high-end clients pay $200, $600 for custom items. A combo of local repairs and e-commerce sales can bring $10K month easily. 3. Local beekeeper and honey sommelier. Profits, $3,000, $15,000 month. Yes, honey has sommeliers now. From flavored honey infusions to artisan skincare and candles, small-scale beekeeping is buzzy in all the right ways. Modern twist, offer farm tours, workshops, and launch a line of infused honey or beard balms. Profit potential, boutique honey jars sell for $12, $35 each. Combine with beeswax goods and events and you've got a sweet six-figure gig. 4. Soap maker and old-time apothecary. Profits, $5,000, $25,000 month. Soap making is one of the oldest jobs around, and it smells like money, especially now, with handmade organic bars trending online and in boutique shops. Modern twist, build a mini apothecary brand with a deep story, include plant lore and offer subscription boxes. Profit potential, small-scale soap makers with smart branding can pull $20K month, wholesale plus online empire. 5. Traveling blade sharpener. Profits, $2,500, $9,000 month. This one is shockingly profitable in rural areas. Barbers, chefs, farmers, they all need sharp tools. Modern twist, sharpen blades at local markets, salons, and restaurants, then offer mail-in services or online subscriptions for sharpening tools. Profit potential, $10, $25 per sharpening with repeat customers monthly low overhead, high margin. 6. Quilter and textile artist. Profits, $3,500, $11,000 month. Think quilting is just for grannies? Think again. Quilts are now collector's items and wedding essentials. Sell one-of-a-kind art pieces or memory quilts using old clothes. Modern twist. Offer personalization, modern designs, or even NFT-verified quilt patterns for digital collectors. Profit potential. Custom quilts range from $400 to $2,000. Add a digital pattern store and watch your revenue thread up quickly. 7. The chimney sweep reborn. Profits, $4,000, $14,000 month. Chimney sweeps still exist, and in colder small towns they are essential. Many homes still use wood-burning stoves or fireplaces. Modern twist, offer inspection packages, carbon monoxide safety kits, and even a YouTube channel on old home care. Profit potential, sweeps, charge $150, $300 per visit, do $15.30 a month plus add-on sales serious smoke signals. 8. Furniture canner and restorer. Profits, $3,000, $10,000 month. Old chairs need love, and replacing authentic cane furniture is pricey. If you know how to repair or recane furniture, you've got gold. Modern Twist, host workshops, flip vintage finds, or build a TikTok following restoring grandma's rocker. Profit potential, $200, $800 per restoration plus passive income from online tutorials and digital products. 9. Sign painter and muralist, profits, $4,000, $16, 000 month hand-painted signs are back. Small town businesses want that rustic charm, and you can be the one delivering it with style. Modern Twist, use social media to showcase your projects and add branding services like logo painting, wall art, or vintage signage for Airbnbs. Profit potential, $300, $1,200 per sign, mural. High demand, low competition. 10. Candle chandler, profits, $4,000, $13, 000 month artisanal candles are on fire. Scented, themed, spiritual, you name it. Modern Twist, lean into storytelling. Offer candles with names like Front Porch Nights or Grandma's Kitchen and build a lifestyle brand. Profit potential, $20, $60 per candle. Sell in sets through subscription boxes or themed collections. 11. Ice delivery and block ice carver. Profits, $3,500, $12, 000 month. Back in the day, ice delivery was a summer essential. Now, there's a niche demand for old-school ice blocks, for cocktails, events, and even survivalists. Modern Twist partner with bars, host ice carving demos at festivals, and sell custom logo-etched ice. Profit potential, $300 per event, $50, $150 per block. Highly specialized equal sign, highly profitable. 12. Sawmill operator and slab seller. Profits $6,000, $20, 000 plus / month. Wood milling has made a comeback thanks to DIYers and custom builders. Small town trees plus big town buyers equal sign sawdust fueled success. Modern Twist. Sell live edge slabs, offer custom engraving, and build a YouTube channel for your process. Profit potential, $200, $1, 000 plus per slab. With the right setup, you're looking at a low overhead, high margin business. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. We've got templates, guides, and even a few secrets we don't share publicly. So what do you think? Still doubting whether old-school jobs can make new-school money? We've walked through 12 humble, hard-working trades that have stood the test of time, each one hiding a modern goldmine if you're willing to mix a little grit with a little grit. Whether you're working out of your barn, your basement, or your backyard, these jobs prove you don't need a skyscraper office or fancy tech to start stacking cash. All you need is a good idea, a great brand, and a community that values craft over hype. And guess what? Small towns have plenty of that. Which one of these will you try first? The blacksmith? The beekeeper? Maybe the sawmill life is calling your name? Drop your favorite idea in the comments and let us know how you plan to bring back an old school trade with new age flair. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.